Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. In yesterday's video, I was telling you that Bitcoin is about to break out another triangle, and indeed Bitcoin has broken out the next triangle. Before that, it broke out the resistance of this bearish pennant, then this triangle, and then this triangle that I was showing you in my previous video. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this for a 1 hourly time frame chart. And this was the resistance I was showing you, the triangle that the price line can break out. And I told you that our target to the upside after the breakout can be 42,000, and the price line rallied after this breakout up to $42,200, and again moved down, even broke down the support of this triangle, and again moved up, and right now it is moving approximately at $42,000. Before that, it broke out this triangle, and even before that, Bitcoin broke out this bearish pennant as well. That was on the 4 hourly time frame chart. Now, if we take a look again at the target for this bearish pennant, that is approximately at $47,000. That is still due. And if we switch to the daily time frame chart from here, then Bitcoin has already broken out a very long-term down channel, and now it is bounced very well by the support of this rising wedge pattern. Now, if the price line reaches the resistance, this time the resistance of this rising wedge pattern will be approximately here at $48,200, and the target for this bigger down channel can be here at approximately at $68,000. We also have a hidden bullish divergence on the chart. I have been telling you, when we were even moving below the support of the rising wedge pattern, I have been telling you that we have a very big hidden bullish divergence, because the stochastic was forming lower low than previous low, and even RSI was also forming lower than previous low, and the price line is forming higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price line will be recovered back and it will move up from here. And we can see that the price line has started that move. Now, the critical movement that is on the way is the weekly EMA 21. You can see that the weekly EMA 21 is coming right now at approximately $43,455. And when the price line will be able to break out this resistance, that will be a big achievement, and then we can expect a big move. Right now, it is very important movement for Bitcoin, because it is also breaking out the daily EMA 21 as well, and that will be also another achievement if the Bitcoin breaks it out. I'm expecting that Bitcoin will easily break it out, but the bigger resistance will be this EMA 21 on the weekly time frame chart. Therefore, the next few days are really very important for Bitcoin. It will be decided whether this bull run, because you can see it is forming higher lows and higher highs, and if the Bitcoin breaks out this EMA 21, then this bull run will become continued, and we can expect another higher than previous high. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.